Alright guys, Windsor here. Just going to do a quick video of opening this safe lock. Just got a new 2-in-1 pick today, quite a long one. Just had to file it down just to suit. So, I'll show you the key first. The key, range of cuts. Normal picking method, tension on, go through for the binding lever. When you get the binding lever, just give it a tiny little nudge up, nothing major. What I find with safe locks is just small little nudges. There's a binding one there, and then there's a binding one there. Just keep going forward to back, or front to back. I tend to use the other lever just to find my way to the next one. Quite a bit of tension on this as well to get them to set. This is a 7 lever L&F, I think. Quite a common safe lock. Right, so I've had some feedback now. I'm not getting much feedback now. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pull the pack towards me, see if that changes anything, because I might have a few levers in here that need lifting and holding. Just see if the lock reacts any differently. Like I said, when you go through this lock, you don't get nothing if you don't apply pull. But literally just small little lifts. If you look at the gating on this as well, it's like 2 or 3 mil. 2 or 3 mil when bolt passes through. When the bolt passes through the bolt stump, sorry, the bolt stump passes through the gating, about 2 or 3 mil spare, so it is quite loose. Right, it's starting to bind up now. Starting to get different bits of feedback because I'm applying pull. There, it's gone. Hope you enjoyed.